Already got this 4-in-1 gas monitor right here. If you happen to work in an industry where you are in need of a gas monitor, maybe the HVAC industry, you know, it reminds me when I was at the phone company, going down into manholes, we would always have a gas monitor. Well, this one is a 4-in-1 handheld device. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Give you an idea how big it is. There it is compared to a water bottle. And let me show you a few things about this. It came nicely packaged in a box. And inside that box was a really nice carrying case, which everything fits in here perfect, and it's styrofoam packed, and it's got a pocket in here for the instructions. We'll see how it works. We'll do a little test here. So it comes with about a little over a foot long unique USB cable and a charging block. So you can charge it up. When you want to charge it up, it is a rechargeable device. There's a little rubber thing on the side here you pull out, and you charge it up right there. And when it's fully charged, it'll last 16 to 18 hours. It has some waterproofing on it. It's splash proof, but it cannot be submerged in water. So it measures 4 different types of gas and all the gases that fall within that range, which are all listed right here on the back and in the inside of the instruction manual. It's got a pretty detailed manual inside here that tells you all kinds of stuff. You can change the date on there. You can set the date. I've already set it on here. And you can even put a passcode in to lock it out. For people messing with it, if that's what you want to do, if you're taking this to a job site. On the back here, you got a little clip, so you could actually, if you wanted to, clip it onto your shirt. It's an idea, or your work clothes, whatever. When this clip is unlatched, you actually have a little hook on the back here, so if you want to hang it somewhere, if you're working someplace, you want to hang this thing up, you can do that. It has a nice LCD screen on here, and it has your 4 sensors in the front, and it also comes with this clip that comes over the top, where you can attach a hose to it if you wanted to do that. Turning it on is really easy. It has a nice display. So you press the power button. It goes through a self-diagnostic where it tests all its different alarm indicators. And it's got three different types. It vibrates, lights flash, and it has an audible signal to it. There's 3 lights on here. It's got a backlit display on it. You can do all kinds of stuff. There's a couple of arrow buttons on here. You can go into the menu. And there's all kinds of options in here. For settings you can change, time setting, language, and all that. Well, all right, let's test this thing out. I got some butane right here. Let's try some butane. And we'll see what the alarm looks like and what it sounds like. I'm going to set it on the desk so when it vibrates, it'll actually make noise. Here's butane. Uh-oh. Works. You can hear it vibrating, lighting up. And audible. All right, let's try the Bic lighter gas test. I'll put it on a different probe this time. Works. It's vibrating, lighting up, and we have the audible sound. All right, so if you work in an industry where you need a gas monitor to monitor a large array of gases, from your combustibles to your carbon monoxide, your oxygen, or maybe you just want to have one around the house for maybe you got a gas dryer, you want to check if it has a leak, or a gas heater. Comes with a really nice case, zippered case, detailed set of instructions. It's rechargeable. It's got a little port on here for a hose if you want to do. So if you're in the market for a 4-in-1 gas detector, check this one out. Check it out.